You reach out for her, a hand on her waist, a kiss that used to lead somewhere, and she turns away. Or she gives you that polite smile that says, "Not tonight." You tell yourself she's tired or stressed or distracted, but inside it hurts because it's been a while. And you start wondering what changed. You still love her. You still want her. But lately, it feels one-sided. Like you're the only one reaching. You try harder. You plan things. You're more affectionate. You talk about it. You do everything you can think of. And somehow the harder you try, the further she seems to drift. And it gets in your head. You start asking yourself if you've done something wrong, if she doesn't find you attractive anymore, if you've lost something, the edge, the spark, the man she used to want. Here's the part most men never hear. It's not that she's stopped wanting you. When a woman's body doesn't feel safe, desire can't exist. Not unsafe like danger, unsafe like pressure, like expectation, like the quiet feeling of needing to perform or please or manage your disappointment. If she feels she has to protect you from how she really feels, her body quietly shuts the door on wanting. Desire and safety live in the same part of her nervous system. She can't open and protect at the same time. So when she senses pressure, even the gentle kind, her body chooses protection. That's why she turns away. Not because she doesn't love you, but because she can't relax into wanting. Desire doesn't disappear in women, it retreats. It hides in the places where we feel safe. And when that safety returns, so does everything else. From the outside, it looks like disinterest. But inside, it feels like weight. Every gesture you make with hope behind it, a date night, a tender touch, a sweet comment, she feels the meaning underneath, and she worries she can disappoint you. That's when her body starts to close, not rejecting you, protecting herself from the tension between you. When she can breathe again, when your presence feels calm, steady, unhurried, her body finally lets go. Desire isn't something you can force open. You can't talk it back into life. Because this isn't a decision she makes in her mind, it's a reaction happening in her body. If she feels pressure, even unspoken, her body goes still, distracted, not in the mood. She's not saying no to you, she's saying no to the demand she feels behind your wanting. This isn't rejection, it's self-protection. And the beautiful thing is, safety isn't complicated. It's not a technique. It's not about being perfect. It's a feeling we recognize in you when you're calm, when you're steady, when you want us but you're not trying to get us. Our whole system exhales, the guard drops, and desire remembers itself. So what does safety actually feel like to a woman? It feels like peace in your presence. Like we don't have to perform or explain or manage your emotions before we can feel our own. Like we can breathe near you. Safety isn't passive. It's not walking on eggshells. It's calm in your wanting. It's confidence without pressure. You create it in small ways, a touch that doesn't lead anywhere. A hug with no expectation, sitting close and letting silence be enough. If you feel the urge to turn it into something more, take a slow breath. Stay where you are. Let us feel that you don't need anything from us in that moment. Let us feel your presence without your pressure. That's when our bodies start to open again. That's when desire returns. Not as duty, not as obligation, but as a natural response to safety. We haven't stopped loving you. We haven't stopped finding you attractive. Our bodies just forgot what it feels like to be safe enough to want. That's not something broken. It's something that can be rebuilt. Every woman's body knows how to want. It just needs the right conditions to remember: space, patience, presence. When you relax, we can relax. When you're calm, we can trust. When we trust, we soften. And that's where desire lives. So take the pressure off the outcome. Reconnect to the simple things: warmth, touch, laughter, stillness. That's where the spark begins to find its way back, because attraction doesn't fade. It just needs tending.